Turns out this method doesn't work. So I guess we're gonna just have to go inside here. I thought I could catch Pokemon. Select from the inside. Use the works key. Kerchunk. The door to the Valley Wind Works is open. That's nice. Whoa! Well, no, there. The key looking door is meaningless. I have to alert the commander. Oh no, not the commander. She's the worst. Okay. Sorry for the vacuum. If you hear it, I hope you don't hear it. I hate that they keep on using the vacuum with it. Never mind.
Just a vacuum.
I know, but you know it's annoying.
You might have to cut the video.
No, I'm not cutting the video.
Yeah, but...
Okay, let's just... Oh my god, stop glaring! I'm just having a bad day when it comes to recording, like... No, just... Come on. Sorry about this. Let's just continue. Oi, this is fun and games, but this is proper work, I tell you. Oh, great, the battery's almost dead.
What do we do?
Here comes Zubat. Go crush him, Kitten DDD. I almost want to... No, maybe I won't use the trees to catch the next Pokemon. No, I'm sick with the trees. I'm the anti-Lorax. I thought I already made that joke already. Did I make that joke already?
I
think I did. Metal Claw!
You can always use it again. Only collect them.
But I'm trying to make it so... I speak against the trees. Oh, Metal Claw.
Imagine that what would have happened to a person who was like Metal Claw. Like Wolverine.
I am against the trees.
I think they're coming in your room when you know that.
No, check. Can you remind me to check every day on the tree?
Yeah.
Like, you really gotta remind me. You have to check once every 7 days. I mean, I know for each day. Just remind me every day, please.
We should put a note on it. Like,
oh my god! The vacuum's on again. Hey, my record.
We just want to make YouTube videos. Have fun.
Really, meow. You're trying to put a desk in my room. Oh.
I mean,
no, I don't
you
even.
can actually probably record better.
I don't even like the desk.
You don't like that?
I hate that I keep on rearranging my room. No, it's like that. It's my room. I like the way it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, Candy.
Okay.
Send in Skunky. Skunky. Fury swipes. Oh no! Oh, 2 damage. Each swipe is 2 damage.
So 4 plus 4 is 8.
Why is Metal Claw not doing that much? Whatever, let's Juice Peck. Maybe I'll do more. Heck. Oh my god, my attacks aren't doing that much. Poison gas? Oh no, we're poisoned. Come on. Be neighborly.
Yeah, be neighborly.
Be neighborly. Ugh, they won't die. I'm already in a bad mood. Like, I can't wait to kill their... I'm ready to kill them. I'm ready to kill their leader.
Oh. Wait, can I check out the...
No, stop it. No, you have to be in the video.
Oh, no.
Stop it, seriously. Stop getting out. Okay.
Let me get a drink.
No! Come on, seriously. Why didn't you do this before the video?
I don't know.
Ugh. Here's a potion.
Because I wasn't thirsty before the video.
Yeah, oh yeah, I remember this. Oh no. I love Team Galactic's 3 commanders. No, wait, that's 4 commanders. My name is Mars. It's like the Elite Four. I've been trying to create a new world better than this one, but people have shown little understanding about what we do. Do you understand either? Do you? That's a little saddening. So let's have a battle to decide what we should do next. If I win, you leave. If you win, we Team Galactic will leave. I can try to give her a voice. I'm such in a bad mood. Come on, 2 against 2, but mine's poisoned. Okay, Zubat's first. Finally, a competition. She might actually put up a fight.
I need more Pokemon. We need Pokemon.
What do you think you're doing to my Pokemon? Defeating them? Okay, let's try out Medical. Come on, bite. Oh, come on, flinched. And poison. Oh no, Candidity! This isn't good. Go, Starly! Get it! Well, don't change the brightness. Okay, good. I mean, that's Staravia. Bite.
Oh, he hit me.
Ow.
Ow.
Return. Oh.
Oh.
Come on, stop poisoning my Pokemons. If she plays her cards right, she might actually win this. I gotta be careful. You got to be careful, because her strongest Pokemon is coming up next.
Oh my god, it looks like crystals.
Okay, gotta keep battling. Okay. I don't know which does that. Uh-oh. Come on! No, plus the poison damage. No.
Oh, we're gonna die. We're dead. Wait, you might,
Return! Oh, she...
you might have to
It's fat. How is that fat cat faster than my Starly? How is that fat cat? Oh, this isn't good.
a fat cat.
I knew it. If she played her cards
That's
right,
why
she could
we
win
got
this.
potions, dude.
No, I'm not using potions. Potions are cheap.
No, we're not.
Rock smash. Come on, no!
You're dead, mate. You might have to.
Lower her defense. Come on. Lower it. No! Come on, you had one job.
You have to use the potions.
No, I'm not using potions. Potions
You're
are
dead.
are
You're
cheap.
dead, mate.
No,
told you.
come on, just stop it. I'm not using potions. I refuse. God damn it, I blacked out. No, if I wasn't poisoned, maybe I could win. Let's try this again. Come on, stop doing that. Seriously, stay still.
You stay still. Oh, ow.
Oh my
Why
god.
you have to hit me during the day? That's kind of embarrassing.
Stop putting your foot on me.
I'm out of here.
Oh, that sounded more painful than it actually was.
Ow, that really hurt me.
No, you have to stay here.
No, I got drunk.
No, no,
I'm
no,
thirsty.
no, you can't. You're wasting time. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I guess we're alone. Okay. Kindy. Okay, here's my plan. I'm gonna lower her per Ugly's defense. Then I'm just gonna go all out. Let's do this. Blah blah blah. We already know what you're gonna say. Okay. Time for you to know my strategy. Oh, this is gonna be a massacre right here. Yeah. This time my Pokemon aren't poisoned. Oh yeah, I forgot about the Zubat. I'm gonna have to take care of that first. No. Oh, I should have went to Staravia first. Nah, come on. What's with all the flinching? No. Ah, poisoned again? No. No. Ugh, again. This is good. As long as I get that defense drop, I'll be fine. I don't know. Let me check the. No. Well, let's find out in the next episode. Bye.